good morning. This is Uncle Mike 392, and this is my friend.
Misael, and welcome to our shop. Here we got phone cases for all sorts of devices, like phones, and over here we got tablets. And over here we also got your cases for AirPods. We also got Bluetooth earphones, regular earphones for your audio needs.
All right.
And we also have tempered glass, so for all sorts of devices. And over here with me,
we do repair cell phones also.
Okay.
and here we got cables or chargers for your phones, tablets, whatever you need. We also got protectors for your cameras, phone cameras. And over here, hoverboards, speakers,
Okay.
electronics.
This lady over here eating chips. You remember me?
We also have chargers for like, tablets, not tablets, hoverboards, laptops. And down here we got cars for the little kids.
Let me go down and I'll come back.
Okay.
Go down and film it. And I'll come back to you. We got everything you need in here, guys. We got travel chargers. We got whatever you need, man. Come on. This is their second store. The first store was number 15. This is number 204. Same people. Same owners. Just different store. They got two stores in the swap meet here. Okay, let me get this back here.
We have cars for the little ones, the older ones, whatever. We also have game systems for classics.
Okay.
And here we got our repair shop area for repairing phones.
So you do repairs as well? Yes, sir.
Repairs.
Let me get up here and show them what you got. So I'm gonna walk around.
Okay.
So they got everything you need for your cell phone, guys. They even do repairs here. They have all kind of accessories, whatever you need. They got it here. Okay. This is Uncle Mike. This is Uncle Mike 392. I gotta go. Late. Just say goodbye.
Goodbye.
All right. So we take care, guys. Late.
Bye.